guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about hair. I get a ton of questions about my hair simply because it kind of has its own persona. It kind of has like a mind of its own. I do curl it with a curling iron, just a regular curling iron from Walmart, nothing like super fancy. I do have natural curly hair, so it's naturally curly, it's naturally very coarse and thick and dry, therefore it holds shape really well. I do try to protect it as much as I can, so I want to talk about like styling today in terms of doing blowouts at your house. That way you're not spending a ton of money at the salon. You can do this at your house. You don't have to go to a salon. You don't have to do spend a whole bunch of money. So I just wanted to share with you some tips and tricks that I use to kind of give my hair some more volume and, make it look just a little bit better than when you wake up in the morning. You really need to get a good, heat protectant spray. I really like this one by L'Oreal. It's called L'Oreal Boost It Blowout Hairspray. So you can see it says lasting volume plus heat protection. I've been using this for like a year now. It's not a new product or anything. I just really like it. I also have a Suave one that I really like. It's like $2. You just need to get a good heat protectant spray to use when you're styling your hair. But I do... some people just kind of spritz this all over their head and brush it through. I do this individually as I'm curling my hair and blow drying my hair. I'll take a section, a 1-inch section, and I'll spray the section, and then I'll curl that section. And then I'll move on to the next section. Spray, curl, spray, curl. I don't spray my whole head and then go back and curl it. That just makes sure that it gets on each individual section and that it's protecting your hair. There is a Redken one that I like. I think it's called Pillow Proof or something. It costs a little bit more, but it's really good too. But if you're just looking for something just to, for everyday use, this is really good. I think it was $4 or $5 at Target, and I have been using it regularly ever since. To get this is something I get asked a lot, and I don't really make any effort to do it. My hair kind of just like this right here where it lifts and goes over. I get asked about this a lot. It just does this. Just because I have really thick hair. But a way that you can kind of achieve this to make it flip out like this, you can use kind of a wide tip comb and then get your blow dryer. This is my blow dryer that I've had for forever. Honestly, kind of surprised it lasted this long. But just take your hair see if I can do this on camera. Just take your hair and pull it straight up, just straight up, and blow dry it. And then just kind of let it fall. So just straight up. If you have, if you're doing dry hair, you can use your cool setting, or a low heat setting, and then just literally comb your hair straight up and let it fall. You can also do this with your flat iron, pulling your flat iron straight up and just letting it kind of fall over, and then curling it. And then I just curl it, and it just kind of does whatever it wants to. I just got my roots done, so it's pretty blonde right now, so bear with me. Anyway, back to this. I do really like the spray. It kind of makes my hair just a little bit stiff to where you don't really need hairspray after you use it. Maybe you will need hairspray. I have really thick hair, and it holds shape, so I don't really use a ton of hairspray. I'll use it occasionally, and then I will take hairspray and spray it on my brush and brush this part just to kind of make it stay for the day. But this really protects my hair against heat styling. I have noticed a difference since I started using it, so that's why I kept using it. But like I said, it will make your hair just a little bit stiff. And maybe that's just my hair because I have thick hair. You might experience something differently. if you use this and you have like thoughts about it, I'd love to hear your comments below. But as you can see, like, it doesn't affect like my hair curling or like not curling. Like, some sprays you can put on your hair and they will like water it down, and then it kind of affects the way it holds curl, and it'll kind of go straight. But I really like the way that this works, and then it lasts all day, and like I can use it over and over again. So like if you have like second day hair and you go back to use this again to like kind of touch it up, it's not gonna make your hair like gooey or anything. I haven't experienced that with it. But it does do what it says that it's supposed to do. It does help with volume. It does help with the heat protectant. So I'm very happy with this product for like a drugstore brand under $5. I do recommend it, and I think that you will like it in terms of using it to achieve like an at-home blowout so that you don't have to go to the salon and spend a whole bunch of money. But that's my video for the day, and if you have any questions about my hair or how I style it, or anything that I can answer for you, please leave them in the comments below. If you are new, I hope that you'll subscribe, and if you like this video, if you'd like to see more hair videos, review videos, please give me a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next video.